Does anyone else feel like Drive It Day is the unofficial start of the show season? This year marked the 20th anniversary of the event, organised by the Federation of British Historic Vehicle Clubs, and for its landmark year, this year was held in aid of Childline. Now, Drive It Day is an event that, well, has its roots back in the early days of the motorcar, being held annually as close as possible to the anniversary of the 1,000 mile trail, which I'm going to assume is trail that takes about 1,000 miles. The idea of Drive It Day is straightforward. Basically go online, look up what your local clubs are organising, and get involved. And it's exactly what I did this year. My friend asked me if I wanted to take an old car out for the day, the only question being, what would I get? So we met up along Aberdeen Beachfront bright and early, and after a quick pit stop at the Inversnecky for a bacon roll and a coffee, we moved back along the promenade, well, to sit and mingle with other petrol heads. And as a massive fan of the TV show Life on Mars, I can't lie, this absolutely made my day. Of all the cars that could be given, it was this lovely green Cortina. After a bit of walking, taking pictures and trying not to get run down by giant green dinosaurs, that is, as it got nearer to 10:30, everyone began thinking about the road out of town. fun. Now, with all the roadworks and the road closures around the city centre, it took us far too long to get moving. But eventually we were. It was out into Deeside to park up again at Crathes Castle. So there we go. That was Drive It Day 2025. Well, the Aberdeen leg of it anyway. And my first time taking part as well. Let me know in the comments below what you got up to for Drive It Day. Did you get something out of the garage for the first time this year? I'd love to know what you were up to. And I'll catch you again on Sunday afternoon. See you then.